Okay, this is Kashi and Winston, and Winston's first snow. You guys ready? All right. Oops. Winston's not sure exactly what's happening. So he defaults to his default program, which is barking. Right on cue, Winston. Alright, let me carefully make my way across the yard. You can still see I still have my summer lounge chair out. Good all year round. Oh, there are the boys playing. Hey, you guys. I think the cheering we hear are the kids across the street at the school. School has not been let out yet. Okay, yeah, so everybody's got to pee in the snow. I get it. You're just like men. Hey, Winston! Hey! Boys love cold weather. And apparently snow. Yeah! Ah! Kashi! What are you doing? Kashi has snow on his head. Alright, you guys, let's play. Let's play. Come on, go play. Go play. Hey, sweet pea. Winston so badly wants somebody to play with him, and Kashi just won't do it. What do you think, darling? The one growling is the black one, Kashi. That's his play growl. At least until he gets sick of it, and then it turns into a real growl. The snow tastes good? Snow does taste good. Kashi, he's enjoying the snow. He's allowed to lick the snow and eat it and roll in it. Winston, you bit the dust. Kashi, let him play in the snow. See, it does taste good. Finally. Winston feels like he's finally come home. Yes, this is what life is supposed to be like for Great Pyrenees. Cold and snowy. Right, boy? That's right. Snow and belly rubs. And good food. Okay, boys. I think our recording session's over.